Oh, not yet. Oh, never mind lah. After the last, maybe I'll do quick session lah for today. Just want to discuss the previous exercise, right? Before we start chapter 3, maybe next class, right? Maybe we just do a short session for online class today. Yeah, don't worry. So your BM still no BM because teacher go for SPM, jaga SPM, right? Cikgu Ardan.
Yes.
Okay, never mind. So like usual lah, I will take half an hour. Cikgu Ardan class, no problem. All right. So we continue. I will present the exercise from your workbook. Okay. Can you see my presentation? Can you see my screen sharing like usual?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Thank you very much. Just be recorded. Okay. So like I promised you yesterday, today we just discussed the exercise on chapter 2. Okay, exercise on chapter 2, practice ke arah PT3, chapter 2, right? So like usual, I think you already know the format of our examination paper. Okay, consists of 3 sections, A, B, and C. So without wasting any more time, I think we just jump to section A, question number 1. Okay, section A, question number 1. Page 21, right? Page 21, right? Okay. Page 21. All right. Like usual, according to the question number 1, it's already give you the information, the hint, or the what we call the statement or the information in the form of diagram or picture to give you the idea of what it's going to ask later on. Okay, so diagram 1, question number 1, section A, diagram 1 showed 2 types of cell found in humans. Okay, so you must be able to understand the type of cell, right? How many cells inside your textbook you must able to identify in human? How many? I think it is 6 cells, right? Okay, 6, right? Let us remember back the type of cell in human without looking at the book lah. We try not to look at the textbook. Anybody? Number 1, cell number 1. Without looking at the book. Cell in human. Type of cell in human.
Red blood cell.
Okay. Who is talking? I cannot see you. Red blood cell. Okay, good. Red blood cell. Janine, are you there? Number 1. Yes. The type of cell number 2. First is red blood cell. Number 2. In human. Without looking lah. Okay, we try not to look at if you still remember. Red blood cell. Yes. And then, Janine? Forgot already. Okay. I open the for you to answer my question lah. Anybody? Red blood cell. Okay, finish. Number 2.
Nerve cells.
Angel, yes?
Nerve cells.
Nerve cell. Okay, very good. Next one. Anybody?
White blood cells.
Yo Pei Wen, yes, very good. White blood cell. Number 4, anybody? Yes. There are many, actually there are many type of cell, yeah. But in your informal, you just remember a few. Okay, never mind. Red blood cell. Angel said nerve cell. A1 white blood cell. And then epithelium cell, muscle cell. And then what else? Reproductive or reproduction? Reproductive cell. Okay, so in this question, for example, it just gives you the picture of it. Okay, it just gives you. That's why I said earlier. I said before this, you must be able to identify the shape of the cell here. Okay, cell number 1 here. Sorry, the first cell, the A cell. What is the cell? Is it cell A? What's the name of the cell?
Red blood cell.
Red blood cell. Okay, very good. And cell B is what?
White blood cell.
White blood cell. That's why you need to understand, identify the shape, and then sometimes the color, and then the size of the cell. Okay, because the question is like this. Sometimes the question will ask you, just give you the picture. You must name you must be able to name the name of what you call, able to give the name of the picture. For example, question number 1 here, right? So you know that cell A is red blood cell, and then cell B is white blood cell. And then make sure you understand the function also. Red blood cell carry the oxygen. White blood cell fight disease or fight infection. Okay. Next one. Question. What is the similarity between both cells? Okay. The question not asking you about the name, but the similarity. Okay. So we took the option one by one. Carry oxygen throughout the body. Carry oxygen only what? Which cells? Only
Red blood cell.
Yes, very good. Carry oxygen throughout the body, only red blood cells. So A is wrong. Okay. B, protect the body from diseases. Only for what cell?
White blood cell.
Yes, protect the body, only white blood cell. Right? How about D? Have a fixed shape. True or wrong? Fixed shape. Fixed shape meaning that is it correct or wrong? Fixed shape.
Wrong.
This is wrong, yeah, because these are what we call an animal cell, only available in animal, including human. So if you still remember the type of cell, if you still remember the difference between animal cell and plant cell, animal cell, the shape, they have a variety of shape in animal cell. So red blood cell, and then the white blood cell, they are animal cells, so they have a variety of shape. Not just plant cell, they have fixed shape. Okay, remember, plant cell, fixed shape, but most of the animal cell, they have what we call not fixed shape. Okay, sometimes the shape of the cell is different, right? So the answer here is found in the same system. Is it true? Found in the same system. So the answer here is C. So the answer here is C. It is found in the same system. What type of system? Circulatory system or transport system, because red blood cell and white blood cell is a component inside blood. Salah satu component inside blood. Red blood cell, white blood cell. Okay, and then you'll be learning more about this cell on Form 3. Form 3 kita akan belajar lagi tentang you will learn more detail about transport system. Okay, transport system or blood circulatory system in Form 3, right? Okay, so from question number 2. Right. So you give you a flow chart. Make sure you understand how to read the flow chart, meaning that it has an arrangement. It arranged in orderly fashion. Starting from cell, tissue, eggs, system, and organism. So in your mind, if you already learned this, this is what we call by the cell organization. Cell organization. Okay. So question, multiple choice is give you 2 correct answer. So you must choose 2 correct answer. This type of question, you must choose 2 correct answer. Okay. Jump to the question. I directly go to the question. Which of the following are the correct example of X? Example of X. Okay. So before you answer this, what is X? What is X?
Organ. Organ.
Yes. Very good. Huh? It is an organ. Okay. So you know that X is organ. So what is the example of organ? We go one by one, the option there. Option number 1, heart. Heart is organ or what?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Number 2. Okay, so you know number 1 option, organ. A heart is one of the organ. So you go to the question. You can cancel the wrong question. That is C, because C do not have 1, right? You can cancel. And then also B. B we can cancel or cannot?
Yes.
Yes, of course, we can cancel B because option number 1, heart, is correct. So you can cancel C and B. Okay. Option A, 1 and 2. Option D, 1 and 3. Okay, so you must look at option number 2 and option number 3. Okay. Number 2, stomach. Is it an organ? Stomach? Yes, of course. Okay. And then number 4, ovum. Is it an organ?
No.
No, ovum is not an organ. Ovum is cell. Sperm also is cell. So the answer is A. Right? The answer is A. Very easy. Okay. Next one, question number 3. Okay, question number 3. Give you a diagram of cross section of a leaf. The cross section of the leaf. Okay. And then you, what's the question? Which part involved in the glucose production process? Okay, it gives you the cross section of the leaf, so you know that it is a plant cell. How many plant cell you need to remember? I think only 4, right? Epidermis cell, gut cell, also, and then what else? The gut cell, epidermal cell, palisade cell, and then root hair cell. Okay, it is one of the example of cell inside plant. So question, which involved in the glucose production process? Glucose production process. Any possible answer? How about P or Q or R or S? Glucose production. You still remember photosynthesis? What is the parts inside the leaf that absorb the sunlight for photosynthesis? What is the part name? You still remember?
Palisade cell.
Yes? Palisade cell, right? So inside the palisade cell, we have chlorophyll. Yeah, chlorophyll that absorb the sunlight for the production of glucose. Glucose is the food for the plant. Yeah. After the plant, the leaf of the plant will undergo photosynthesis, okay, to produce glucose. Glucose is the food for the plant lah. That's why photosynthesis we call it the plant that makes its own food. Okay, dia boleh buat makanan sendiri. So which part? Okay, sometimes maybe you boleh lupa sedikit ini ya, but never mind. The actual answer here is which part? Q, Q. Right? So the answer is B. Yeah? Because Q is palisade cell. According to the textbook, palisade cell contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll for what? Chlorophyll for glucose production. Glucose production. Glucose is the food for the plant. So what is the name of the process? Photosynthesis. Q, this is palisade cell. And then the P, we call it, Q, we call it palisade. Q, we call it palisade. Contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. CHYLL. Contain chlorophyll. P is what? P is epidermal cell. Okay. This one, epidermal. Okay. And then S is gut cell. And then R is, what is R? What is that cell? Okay, and then root hair cell, root hair cell underground lah, di bawah, di dalam tanah, inside the soil. So question number 3 is B, right. Number 4. Give you the information first. Okay, I will read the information, the statement. What equation diagram show the food production process by plant? Okay, if you read the statement, you automatically know, oh, this is the food process, the production of food by plant. So you know it is what? Photosynthesis. And then you also, if you remember photosynthesis, you must be able to remember also the requirement of photosynthesis. Still remember, right? So what is the requirement here? Already give you the information. We need photosynthesis, need carbon dioxide, water, and then it will turn into glucose and oxygen. Already give you the information. Yeah, carbon dioxide and water, and then must have also chlorophyll and sunlight. So question, what is the importance of this process? Apa kepentingan dia? Alright. Okay, you go one by one. Increased water absorption. Increased water absorption. Is it true? A? Class?
False.
A is not the answer. Okay. Increased water absorption? No. Yeah. Okay. How about increased energy absorption? C. Increased energy absorption. Is it true? Want to
No.
increase? Okay. C also is incorrect. Okay. How about to reduce the production of oxygen? Reduce the production of oxygen. Is it correct? Reduce production of oxygen. Is it correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Yes, of course, it is incorrect. We do not reduce it because the byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen. So how can you say it will reduce the oxygen? Supposedly, it will increase the production, not to reduce. So D is wrong. So the answer is B, to reduce greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases. Okay, let me tell you something. Example of greenhouse gases is, what's the example? Carbon dioxide. Example of greenhouse gases is carbon dioxide. Okay. Why it said reduced greenhouse gases? Because the process use carbon dioxide. You can see here. Yeah. The process of photosynthesis use carbon dioxide. It will use carbon dioxide. So it will increase, or sorry, it will reduce or decrease the greenhouse gases. Because photosynthesis, the plant take carbon dioxide and then convert it to glucose and oxygen. Okay, so this example of greenhouse gases is carbon dioxide. Yeah, please remember, class. Yeah, why they call it greenhouse gases? Because if the amount of gas, for example, carbon dioxide, if the amount of carbon dioxide is increased, we will feel the weather, or it will trap the heat. Okay, carbon dioxide gas will trap the heat from the sunlight, and then we will feel hot. Okay, kita akan rasa panas. We call it global warming. That's why it is very important for the tree, important for us not to cut down the tree, because the tree has important role to reduce the carbon dioxide. If there is more tree, it can absorb more carbon dioxide, and then the weather or the condition inside the earth will be a lot cooler, a lot colder. Akan jadi lebih sejuk lah. Okay, so the answer is B, right? Okay, go to section B. Section C already finished, right? Yesterday we already finished section B. Section C. Oh no. Oh, yesterday only question number 3, right? Okay, never mind. Okay, section B. We go very fast. Diagram 1 show the structure of plant cell. Again, like usual, very easy in this section B. Answer is already given. Given or not the answer? Okay, so it does not give you the answer, but actually you can identify the parts. Okay, 2 marks, meaning you need to write 2 answers. So what is P? Anybody? What is P?
Mitochondria.
Jing Ying and Ying Liu. Yes, correct. It is how is spelled? Mitochondria. Mitochondria. Okay. Like I said earlier, like I said our previous discussion, don't worry about the spelling. If it doesn't bring any others meaning, I can accept it, no problem. Okay. All right. Next, what is Q? Q is?
Chloroplast.
Yes, Ying Liu and Jing Ying. Yeah, it is a chloroplast. Good. Okay, 2 marks. Okay. If you write chlorophyll, also can, because same. It refer to the same things. Chloroplast, chlorophyll, but don't write chloro lah. Chloro cannot, right? Chloro is what you want to sanitize the anything. You use chloroplast or chlorophyll can, right? Okay, next one. Question 1B. Okay, just write what we call the word equation. Still remember this? What process? Cell respiration and photosynthesis. Very easy, this one. No need to give you the answer option. I think you can remember this one very easy, right? So Cell respiration. We need glucose and we need oxygen and then turn into what? Very easy one.
Carbon dioxide.
Yes, of course. Carbon dioxide. Dioxide. Or you can write CO2 lah, because CO2 is the formula for carbon dioxide. Also can. Okay. Carbon dioxide, water, and of course, energy. Is it correct? Energy, ya? Betul lah? Yeah. Okay. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis require
carbon dioxide.
yes. Or you can write CO2 also can, ya? Carbon dioxide. CO2, CO2 is the formula name for carbon dioxide. But I think better to write full name lah. But if you write CO2, I can also accept, no problem. Okay. So photosynthesis, CO2 plus water, and then need also light energy and chlorophyll to what is the byproduct of photosynthesis?
Glucose.
Yes. Oh, sorry, what is that? Glucose. If you write food, can or cannot? If you write food, can I accept? Okay, when? If you write food, wait. Food is not accurate lah, but you must because there are variety of food, right? There are many type of food. Okay, you must write the actual, what we call the actual food there. We call it glucose. Glucose and oxygen. Okay, food cannot lah. Food cannot. Not accurate lah. Not accurate because there are many type of food, right? So, can you see here how many answer in question B1? There are 2 answer, right? 1 plus 1. Isn't it? Can you identify this? And then for question B2, also 1 plus 1. But the answer here, the marks here only given 2 marks. Okay? What happened if this answer is wrong? You said it, carbon dioxide plus water, you write oxygen. Sorry. You write it, okay lah, never mind lah, oxygen. So how many marks in question B1? How many marks? This one correct, this one wrong. Oh, sorry, this one is not correct. So how many marks? Question B1.
No.
So total mark here, how much?
No mark.
So I can only give you 1 mark only. Okay, 1 mark only. Okay. So although your first answer is correct, question B1, carbon dioxide is correct, but the second answer for the same question, you write oxygen, it is wrong. I cannot give you 1 mark. This is what we call wrong cancel the right. Okay, wrong answer will cancel the right answer. This is so I cannot give you any mark here for question B1. I can only give you 1 mark here. Although the first answer here is correct. Can you see? Okay, again. Right. So I delete this. Very easy for see nanti later. Okay. Like this. I can only give you 1 mark. Only 1 mark. Can you understand this? Boleh faham ini ya? Because the question not give you 4 marks. The question only give you 2 marks. So there is no half mark in science paper. Tidak ada separuh markah. Okay, this is not 1.5 mark, no. Okay, tidak ada separuh markah. So this is only 1 mark, right? Okay, question number 2. How many marks here? 2 marks. So 2 marks, you only to tick 2 ticks only. Dia ada 2 markah, 2 kali saja kamu tanda. Okay. 2A1. Cell respiration occur in the mitochondria. True or false? Cell respiration in mitochondria. True or false? Hello? Question number 2A. Section B.
True.
2A1 true. Okay. 2A2. Photosynthesis occur in the chloroplast.
True.
True or false? Yes, true also. Cell respiration, 2A3, cell respiration is a process that absorbs energy. True or false?
False.
False. Last one, photosynthesis is a process that releases energy.
False.
False. Okay. But 2 marks, yeah? 2 marks, no problem. But according to the question, you need only to tick only, ya. Kamu tanda saja this one. But at the space given, you also cross it. Can I accept this answer? Boleh terima tak ini? You also cross the wrong answer. Boleh terima ke tak boleh terima? Because the question asks you only to tick only, ya. No need to cross. But you also cross here. Kamu pangkah juga di sini. Boleh terima ke tak boleh terima? Boleh kah? Can I accept the answer?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Boleh terima. So I give this 2 marks. Penuh. Okay? 2 markah. Alright. Kalau begini boleh terima? This like this can accept also? This also can accept. Boleh terima juga. Boleh terima. Kalau macam ini boleh tak? If you are sometimes I don't know lah. Some of the students sometimes write like this. You just stick here. Cannot terima. Boleh terima ke tak boleh? Got mark or no mark?
No.
Yes. You don't worry. I will accept the answer. Walaupun bukan dalam kotak, because maybe the student did not tick inside the box, just ticks outside the box, but no worry, I will accept this. Ya, boleh terima. Yang ini boleh terima, ya. Or maybe like this. Ataupun dia bulat saja. Dia bulat macam ni. Boleh terima ke tak boleh? Ini pun boleh terima, ya. I will accept this type of answer, no problem. Okay. Tapi kalau begini, if like this, cannot lah. If like this, I think I cannot. Kalau macam ini tanda, tak boleh. Okay. But I think 1 no problem, ya. But yes, there are a case, ya. Student tick, do not follow the instruction, ya. They tick outside the box. They're using the what we call, they are not tick, they are using the circle or the underline. Yeah? So many things. But you stick to the instruction and then you will be okay. Right? Okay. Next question. Question 2B. Question 2B, page 23. Diagram 2 show the process of cell respiration and photosynthesis. Okay, it gives you the what we call it the cycle. This is what we call cycle. Okay, make sure you understand the cycle. All right, in this diagram. All right, so you go to the question, label X and Y. Very easy, this one. What is Y? Wait, what is Y? Okay. Show you the process of cell respiration and photosynthesis. Ini soalan ini sudah salah nih. It should not give, Dia tak boleh bagi ini. Ini sebenarnya jawapan dia, ya. Okay, Y is what? Y is cell respiration. And the next is X is what? X is
photosynthesis.
photo. Yes, correct. Photosynthesis. Okay. Sometimes, yeah, you will get the answer from the question. Okay, sometimes, yeah, sometimes. Right. So 2 marks, right? So you already label it 2 marks. Okay. Which other? Okay, 2 marks. 2 markah di sini ya. Photosynthesis and respiration. Okay. All right. Section C. I will continue section C next class ya. So I think I will stop right now because it took how many? Sudah lama, never mind. So section C, we will continue section C on our next class. That is on what? Our next class is on when is our next class? Monday, and then Tuesday and Wednesday. Right. Oh, so our next class is next week. Okay. Never mind. I will give you the answer on the Telegram group. Okay. For section C, question number 3. Because I think I want to stop right now. Because online class should not be more than 1 hour lah, actually. Right. Is it okay for you? Is it okay for us to stop right now? Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Can okay. Never mind. About the answer in question number 3, I will give you on our Telegram group. Okay. Yeah. Is it okay?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. So please be remind, tomorrow we have the bantuan 100 ringgit ya. Awal persekolahan. Siapa yang sudah hantar borang, make sure tomorrow starting from 12:30 in afternoon you come to the sekolah to take the money, and then do not forget to bring your parent and then the identification lah kepada yang sudah hantar borang lah ya. Okay, that's all lah. So we stop right here. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your focus, and then you can leave the class right now. Thank you very much, and then we see you all again next week. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry, bye bye. Thank you.